Hello everybody, this question here is taken from one of my maths problem solving sessions. It's on probability, and the question is: two fair six-sided dice are rolled. What is the probability that the sum rolled is greater than 3 but less than 7? So first of all, we need to look at what is the total number of possible rolls of a dice, and that would be 6 times 6 equals 36. So that we will write, that's the total number of possible rolls of the dice. Okay, so and next what we have to do is we have to find what are the number of outcomes. So if the total is greater than 3 but less than 7, so the number of outcomes, what we will do is, see, there are two faces that are showing. They have to add up to greater than 3 and less than 7. So if one face, so if these are the faces, the two squares that come up on top, and one of the faces 1, the other is 3, then it is 1 and 3 make 4. If the first one is 1, the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4. That would make a total of 5. So which is a possible outcome? And then you have a 1 and a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. So if this is 1 and that the other is 5, then that would also be total of 6. So there are 3 ways you could do that. The next one would be if it was a 2. So if we have 2, then we can't have 2 we can have 2 and 2. Yes, we can't have 2 and 1 because it has to be greater than 3. So it has to be 2 and a 2, and then we will have a 2 and a 3. Sorry, it's not doesn't look like that. 2 and a 3, and then we'd have 2 and 4. Okay, so those are the outcomes, and we can have it in 3 ways. And the next one would be a if we have 1, 2, and the other one is if we have 3 and then 7, so 3 and 1, and the other one will be 3 and 2, and the other one would be 3 and a 3. So that would be 3 and 3 ways. So that is also 3 ways. Then we have to do a 4 if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and if it is 1, and then that's 5. So that is a possible outcome of 4 and a 2, and then 4 and a 3 is 7. So that would be 2 ways. And the other one is if it is a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only one possible way it can be done, one possible way. That'll be 5 and 1, so that would be 6. So this is one way it can be done. So the total number of possible outcomes, so the total number of possible outcomes would be equal to 3. So with 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, so that would be be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 2, 11, 1, and 1 is 12. And the total number of possible rolls of the dice is 36. So our answer, what is the probability? So our probability would be 12 out of 36, or 1 out of 3. So hopefully that explains this question. Thank you. Bye.